Hey, and welcome back. We are talking about none other than Rigetti Computing today, RGTI. The last time we discussed Rigetti, which was November 25th of 2024, it was under $3 a share. And at over $12 a share as of the close today, that's a sizable increase. But there's probably a lot more left on the table for Rigetti. Remember, these are volatile stocks, but don't go to sleep on quantum computing. Huge run up in November, December time period, and that balloon popped in January. We know why. We know that NVIDIA came out and said something. Jensen. We know that Zuckerberg said something, that quantum computing is long way away. But then Microsoft came back and countered that and said, nope, we're going to be quantum ready in 2025 to take advantage of the massive computing power that awaits us through quantum computing. It just so happens that Rigetti, our one of our favorite quantum stocks, has an alliance with both Microsoft and actually NVIDIA of all players. So this is quite interesting to have an alliance with those two organizations. Remember, disruptor technology in the quantum field, next generation computing, and innovation. This is really leading the stocks up. And I think that with the January lull that happened, it was a good acquisition buying time, as is right now, for that next leg up in the quantum adventure. Again, you don't want to go to sleep on these quantum stocks. These will be computing power of the future, and a lot of the players are getting in on this, and we should as well. With Rigetti, you've got quantum computers, you've got the chips, you've got the software for computing, and there's a lot here to like about Rigetti. So what do they have? Well, we know that as of right now, they have a 9-qubit computer, this Novera system that they have ready to go, ready to be ordered, ready for installation. This is fantastic and massive computing power. They also have an 84-qubit system that they did install at the end of the year. So this is also a fantastic feat and one that speaks volumes for what Rigetti can accomplish. Also in the docket is a 36-qubit, smaller version, and then two more massive versions, a 100 and then a 336 qubit computing power system that they hope to roll out over the next 1 to 2 years. So there's a lot that's going to happen, a lot of excitement, and we should take a little bit closer look at the fundamentals and see where we're at to see if that taps down any of our excitement. So let's do that now. So as we peer into the financials and the fundamentals for Rigetti, remember that they have still a modest market cap, $3.4 billion, with a price per share of about $12 a share. Now, we know that year to date, that's come down a little bit. It's down about 20% for the year to date. The 1 year, we know that was up a massive over 800%, about 900% in all. Again, depending on the fluctuation of the stock. And then the 5 year, it's more realistic, up 24% over the last 5 years. So that tells you there's a lot of volatility. But again, you have unrivaled disruptor technology in these quantum names, next generation computing power, and innovation is really coming through. Who's helping to sponsor that innovation is DARPA. And there's actually a big DARPA announcement that we're looking for sometime in February. So DARPA is none other than the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, and they are supporting the quantum project, as are others. Rigetti could stand to reap some fantastic benefits from getting DARPA endorsement, and that could also add fuel to the stock price. And Rigetti appears to be in good position to get a solid look at this. Cash position, well, we know they had $92 million of cash at the end of Q3. They raised another $100 million towards the end of November. So they have indicated to us that they are sitting on cash that enables them to operate through the end of 2026 without another cash raise. As far as revenues go, okay, those are smaller, but this is new technology, but there are real products, and that's really the excitement here. So revenues will grow as adaptation comes with it, but they have a client list already. and there's probably a lot more in alliances, and there's probably a lot more to come. So that's a good thing. As far as analysts go, analysts see this company being anywhere from a low of $5 a share, which we're well past that at this point, to a high of $17 or $18 a share. However, if you get fuel from a DARPA endorsement and money coming in from that, this can run quite a bit higher in my perspective. And as more of this technology comes out and it advances more, as some of the robust pipeline of Rigetti comes to fruition, a lot of big things can happen with this share price. Take a look at what's happened to IonQ. And I'm pretty bullish on Rigetti. We've had a massive run up. We had a pullback, a lull. But now I'm feeling that the animal spirits may be coming back to the quantum stocks, and it could be the time to make a move. Remember, this administration in the United States is looking to propel technology, not reverse it, not stall it out. And I think that these stocks got a little bit of a bump when we had the Stargate announcement back in January. I'm looking for more to come with quantum computing as advances are made and there's real adaptation to this product portfolio. Rigetti is one of those that stands to benefit. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing. I'm in pretty solidly with Rigetti at this point in time. And as always, I'm adding on any pullback that happens with this stock, as well as many of the others, most of the others that we're talking about. Let me know what you're looking at, and we'll talk again soon. Remember Rigetti, don't sleep on the quantum stocks.